fairness, na-impress ako sa unang first pa lang to. See you later! Hey everyone, Jeshie Urs here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about lenses. Yes, it's a contact lenses. Right now, I'm wearing lenses and I received some product also na i-review ko for today. It's a 5 pieces of contact lenses. So, iba-iba ang kulay and let's see kung maganda ba siya sa mata. And by the way guys, may sira na yung mata ko, may grado na siya, and then let's try gamit ng iba't ibang kulay with a prescription. Yung mata ko is negative 2.75 and this time, I wanna review about Eyelily contact lenses. So ayan na nga. So this sent me 5 pieces with different color and I want to try this time one by one if ano ba ang masasabi ko with this brand, Eyelily. Ayan, Eyelily. I want to show you also kung masakit ba siya sa mata or mabigat ba siya sa mata or komportable bang gamitin. And so far kasi ito is good for 1 year. You can see here, there are 5 and they have also 5 including this one. May tatak din na Eyelily. Ayan. So before that, about the Eyelily is a professional contact lenses found in 2008. Right now, they have 13 years of experience since New Year na, so it will be 14 years. If you don't mind guys, you can check my description and ilalagay ko yung website. And yun na nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo one by one kung ano ang laman dito. But before that, i-unboxing muna natin. As you can see, siya, 5 ganito. And I have also 3 cases for the lenses. Ayan, may purple siya. Ayan, color of the year is a purple. Ayan. And I have another 2. So, 5 na. And then I have some letter from them. It's Eyelily. Ayan. Tada! So, nilalagay nila yung mga ganito. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang unahin ko kasi sa likod walang nakalagay kung ano ang detalye na ito ba yung isa, ito ba yung kulay blue, ito ba yung ganito. Ayan. I will choose this one first. Ito. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ayan. It's kind of make pink or make orange or something. It's kind of nice. As you can see here. Ayan. The writing behind is Eyelily contact lenses. Ayan. These contact lenses is registered and it's very safe. Based on my research, they are very safe to use. The good things is, since I have a grade in my eyes or grado sa mata ko, and pwede kang bumili na may prescription or may kulay or may kulay, and then yung halimbawa yung rate ng mata ko which is negative 2.75, so makukuha ko siya dito sa Eyelily. And then of course kung wala namang sira yung mata mo or normal eyesight ka, which is very good, and pwede ka din makakuha dito sa Eyelily. So, ito na nga ito. Yes. Ayan. Na siya. Ayan. So, ito yung brown in memory. The brown color. Ayan. So, this one is good for 1 year. Ipakikita ko sa inyo kung ano ang magiging itsura ng mata ko. So, ito na. Ito yung original na mata ko. Ayan. Wala yung lenses. As you can see. Ayan. Yan yung mata ko is wala na yung lenses. And this time, ito try natin siya. Tinanggal ko na yung lenses which is ito. Is from the Philippines pa siya. Ayan. So, this time, ito try natin yung brown in memory. So, very safe naman siya kasi nandito siya sa box. May tubig din siya which is solution niya para safe sa lenses. Ayan na. Kalagay na negative 2.75. So, nalagay ko na yung isa but it's kind of weird kasi ito is clear and ito is kind of blurry. So, ito yung original and then dito yung may kulay. As you can see here. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita. Ayan. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko din yung isa para pair na talaga and clear yung makikita ko. Napawaw ako kanina nung nalagay ko and then nakita ko siya sa salamin with the clear talaga. As you can see my eyes. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda naman. And then, magaan siya sa mata. Fairness, na-impress ako sa unang first pa lang to. Thank you, Eyelily. Ang ganda ng kulay. So, this time, itatry natin yung another box. So, hindi ko din alam kung anong kulay nito kasi nga wala namang nakalagay sa box. Pero yung sa inside naman, doon lang nakasulat. So, ito naman yung gray. So, ito yung Louis gray. So, this time, itatry na natin yung gray. Ayan, kind of gray. It's negative 2.75 and the number and the gray color. As you can see here, ayan. So, ito yung gray, clear, and then may gray sa, sa gilid-gilid. So, ito ayan. Yung gray, ito na nga yung Louis gray. Ayan. Ganda no? Ayan. The good things is, magaan talaga siya. The way na i-close mo yung mata mo, gano'n. Parang easy. Parang walang sagabal. Kasi may mga lenses kasi sagabal, diba? So, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kaganda yung Eyelily. Yes, thank you Eyelily. Nice na naman ako. And may tatlo pa tayo to try on. Yan. Ngayon, lilipat na naman tayo sa ibang lenses. Yun na nga, ito naman is Jade Chocolate. Ayan. Ito yung Jade Chocolate. Ayan. Ayan, parang may pagka-pinky siya. Ayan. Pero malalaman natin siya kung susuotin natin. Yes, ito na siya. Pero ito normal pa. Ito may lenses na kaya blurry pa rin yung paningin ko. So, ayan na siya. Cute no? Parang gusto ko lahat. Ayan, ang cute no? May dalawa pa tayong itatry. So, this time is a Pugino Green. So, ito na yung Pugino Green. Ayan, or Pugino Green, or Pugino Green. Ayan. Nice, no? Ganda, no? So, this time, yung pinaka-last na talaga. Ito yung kulay, or blue. Dito naman, ang tawag nila is Silver Sky. Ayan. Ayan. So cute. Ang kulay. Kulay blue, and this one is green, and this time itatry natin yung blue. Ayan na siya. Ito yung Silver Sky. Wow. So, ito yung Silver Sky. It's so clear talaga. Ang liwanag. Ayan. Tamang-tama lang talaga siya sa mata ko, which is yung grade ko, which is negative 2.75. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kaganda. 5 pieces yung na-receive ko, which is Jade Chocolate, Brown in Memory, Pugino Green, and ito na yung Silver Sky, yung Louis Gray. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala kaganda yung Eyelily. Thank you, Eyelily. One thing lang is na hindi masyadong okay is siyang pangalan. Quality is very nice talaga. Maganda talaga yung quality. Ayan, maganda talaga yung quality niya and super gaan talaga. I think I received too much. Thank you, Eyelily. And binuksan ko talaga siya lahat. And ayan, maganda talaga siya. And in fairness, parang gaan-gaan talaga siya sa mata. Hindi siya sagabal kasi may mga lenses talaga na super sagabal the way na pipikit kayo. So, the good things in Eyelily is pwede kayong pumili na halimbawa wala kayong sira sa mata, pwede kayong umorder din. And then, ito sa akin, in my case, may ako sa mata, which is negative. Yun na nga, sinabi ko negative. If you want to know more about Eyelily, you can check the description below. And also, if you want to order sa mga pinakita ko sa inyo, or marami naman silang choices, so you can use also my promo code Jeshie Urs, so to get a 20% off. May mga sale din sila, so ayan. Super ganda naman talaga, and I love all the product what I choose. So yung chocolate, Jade Chocolate, yung Silver Eye, yung Silver Sky, and then yung Louis Gray and Pugino Green, and then yung Memory Brown, ayan. Yun. Super ganda talaga. And this one is, I love this. Thank you, Eyelily. So, guys, don't forget to check my description below. And also, don't forget to follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye! Thank you, Eyelily.